This is Ghost. Ghost is a minimal, high-tech backpack that's perfect for everyday use. When we were designing the backpack, not only was our goal to make it aesthetically pleasing, but we also wanted to make it as functional as possible. The built-in charger allows you to charge and use your phone when on the go. If you lose your backpack, the built-in tracker will help you find it. And if you lose your phone, the backpack will help you locate it. Left strap has a convenient quick access pocket that's perfect for holding your cards or cash. The backpack is cut-proof, waterproof, anti-shock, and anti-sweat, all thanks to our 7-layer construction. The main compartment is efficient at keeping your stuff safe in an organized way. Laptop and tablet pockets are perfect for short trips to a coffee shop or long trips around the world. Electronic hackers can't hack thanks to RFID pocket. The utility pocket is perfect for storing your wallet, passport, or power bank. Smaller pockets are perfect for your watch, keys, or headphones. We hope you love our product as much as we do. Join our journey and back us today.
The ProPack can be considered a protector with an integrated backpack. In fact, it has been initially developed as a protective feature and studied to provide the highest level of comfort in the saddle. The backpack has 2 different configurations. The touring version has a 14-liter capacity, enabling it to carry all the items necessary for a day out on the bike. By taking off the top cover, the backpack shrinks to the racing version, becoming just a little bit more than a back protector, while still enabling the rider to hold a water bag and the ability to store basic equipment in different pockets. The entire structure is modeled after the SoftFlex back protector. The integrated back guard with SoftFlex technology ensures a perfect fit with the anatomy of the back, thanks to 2 overlapping layers that are free to move independently while actively conforming to the curves of the back throughout typical riding movements. Both configurations host an elastic housing, which allows the rider to fasten both a full-face or open-face helmet to the backpack. A dedicated pocket provides on-the-go access to mobile electronics, featuring a water-resistant case made of touchscreen-capable material. A felt-lined pouch within the main pocket offers a safe spot to store glasses or goggles. In both configurations, there is a hidden elasticized strap which can be used to fasten knee pads at the bottom of the bag. The waist strap features elastic inserts and can be completely removed.
always on the go and everywhere is home. Now, take that safe feeling of home with you everywhere you go. From the makers of the successful Bobby Anti-Theft Backpack comes the Bobby Compact, the urban backpack that's impossible to pickpocket. Underneath the lightweight and fluid design that comes in 5 vibrant colors, hides a tough and rugged friend for on the road. Hidden zippers make it impossible for people to open the bag without you noticing. The enforced cut-proof material prevents your bag from being sliced open, and the concealed pockets provide secure access to your phone, wallet, and cards. The Bobby Compact has all the features you expect from a modern backpack. Reflective strips for visibility at night, a USB port for externally charging your phone, and an integrated rain cover. The fun Mini Bobby holds a tote bag for daily groceries, but is also a handy pouch for small items or loose change. The solid luggage strap makes it easy to fit your backpack on top of a rolling case. The Bobby Compact is designed to be safe, efficient, and lightweight. The slick and elegant design follows your body for a comfortable fit, relieving the pressure off your shoulders. We minimize the outer dimensions without losing any space inside, where you can fit a 14-inch laptop and all the gear you need during your day. The Bobby Compact Anti-Theft Backpack keeps you safe, organized, and on the move.